In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 1688 app in English. If you're new to 1688, it's a major Chinese wholesale marketplace, and the app is primarily designed for Chinese users. That means an English interface exists in some versions, but the translation is partial. I'll show you exactly where to turn it on and what to expect, so you can navigate more confidently. Start by opening the 1688 app on your phone. On the bottom menu, go to the Profile tab. You'll recognize it by the person icon, and it may be labeled in Chinese as Wode. Once you're on your profile page, look for the settings area. This is typically the gear icon and may appear as Shizi. Tap it to open your app settings. Inside settings, scroll until you find the language section. It may be listed as language or multilingual, and you'll likely see the Chinese label Duo Yu Yan beside it. Open that menu and select English if you see it as an option. Some devices will switch immediately. Others may briefly refresh the screen while the change applies. Here's the important part to keep in mind. Even after choosing English, many parts of the app will remain in Chinese. This is normal for 1688 and doesn't mean anything is wrong. The setting mainly affects system labels and some menus. Product details, store names, buttons, and messages may still appear in Chinese depending on the page and the seller. To make navigation easier, familiarize yourself with a few common elements. The homepage icon returns you to the main feed. Categories help you drill down into product types. Your cart and messages are available from the main bar, and the back arrow at the top will return you to the previous screen. On product pages, you'll usually see the price in yuan, the minimum order quantity, and shipping details. If you encounter pages that remain in Chinese, your device's on-screen translation tools can help you quickly understand key terms without leaving the app. If you don't see English listed in the language menu, the option may not be available on your current app version or in your region yet. Make sure your app is up to date, and don't worry if the setting appears later after an update. Finally, remember that communication with suppliers may still occur in Chinese. Short, clear messages translate more accurately, and screenshots with key details can reduce confusion. That's all you need to set the app to English and understand what will and won't change. With these tips, you'll be able to browse, compare, and reach out to suppliers with a lot more confidence even when parts of the interface remain in Chinese.